morning from Switzerland! First is ref magnet, non-negotiable. After our adventure at Mount Titlis, we made our way to Lucerne and went straight to buy souvenirs. The shop's name is Casa Grande and it's not far from the Chapel Bridge. There were a lot of options, from chocolates to ref magnets to accessories, and of course the famous Swiss knife. Pero sobrang mahal ng mga bilihin dito, guys, and I'm not surprised. We all know that Switzerland is very expensive. And ayan, nagbayad na nga kami at we are calculating how much is the damage from all of this shopping. Hello! So we're done shopping here at Casa Grande. Hi! So we're looking for somewhere to eat now. Ito yung mga napamili natin. So the shops here close very early. Mga 6:30, 7 or 7:30 na yung pinaka-latest. Kaya makikita nyo, it's still 6:55. Pero ayan, konti na lang yung tao kasi sarado na yung mga shops. Ayan, umuulan po ngayon dito sa Lucerne. Pangit po yung panahon. Pagdating pa lang po namin, umuulan na. Tapos ngayon, naghahanap kami ng makakainan. But most of the shops are already closed. Inuna kasi namin yung shopping.
Okay. Moving dito.
This bridge kind of connects the city of Lucerne to the church. Like there's a cathedral at the end of the bridge. Hey guys, so quick video lang tayo while nag-aayos ako dito sa kwarto. Sorry, I really don't have any time to do like a proper vlog. So while nagtutupi ako ng aking damit, ay magkukwento lang ako sa inyo kung ano yung mga ginawa natin at gagawin natin today. So kahapon, ayun, nag-Mount Titlis kami and it was really an amazing experience. And yeah, I've captured it all and I will share it to you. Yes, yun. Nag-Mount Titlis kami and before that, I think, saan ba kami pumunta? Basta kahapon puro malamig yung pinuntahan namin. And now we are here at our hotel in Lucerne. Grabe, it's so malamig dito. I think yung average temperature when we arrived here yesterday was like 11 to 13 degrees and hindi talaga kaya ng manipis na jacket. And fun fact, or not so fun fact, shops close here at most 7 or 7:30. Kaya hindi kami nakapag-shopping that much kasi late na rin kaming nakarating from our Mount Titlis adventure. So, just checking if yung mga naiwan ako. So, ito, dito sa Lucerne, yung hotel namin is yung Hotel Europe. And maganda naman siya. Though, I was expecting na sana nasa lakeside kami as what our tour guide said. Pero, yung ating view ay hindi lakeside, pero okay lang. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. So, ang kaganda ng mga buildings dito sa Switzerland talaga. And, common thing na makikita mo dun sa mga balcony nila is may mga flowers talaga or decorated yung windows. Window door niya is nasa labas and they are so colorful. So, yeah, I've captured some videos of that as well in the countryside. Yung talagang gaganda. I'll just finish up packing. Overnight bag lang ako kasi one night stay lang kami dito. So, hindi ko nadala yung aking maleta. Yung maleta ko is nasa running board ng bus. So, I have to run now because it's already 7:35 and 8:30 yung meeting namin and mag-breakfast pa ako. So, ayun lang. And good morning from Switzerland! My Hey, we're leaving Hotel Europe. Let's go to the bus. Let's go. Let's go. Hi everyone! So we're now here at Schaffhausen and we are stopping by the Rhine Falls. Ayan, so makikita nyo po, yan po yung Rhine Falls. Yan po daw yung pinakamalaking falls across Europe. So it falls or it passes by 5 countries in Europe. Of course, Switzerland, Germany, France, and Austria and Netherlands. So yung mga countries po na pinag-flow ng falls na to ay rich countries kasi meron silang good source of clean water. So, nakakahinig. Pero ang ganda niya. So ayan, tapos na kami sa pag-process ng tax refund forms namin na border ng Switzerland kasi pupunta na kami ng Germany. Ayan, so dito po pala sa Switzerland, pag pumuli po kayo ay ima-minus na po ng store yung tax automatically and then yung form nyo po is ipapa-validate nyo po siya dito sa border. Ayan, pag successful po siya na pumunta sa post office nila ay okay na po. Pero po pag hindi, i-charge po kayo ng store sa card na ginamit nyo. So, even if magbayad kayo ng credit card or cash, kailangan nyo po maglagay ng card details or magbigay ng card details sa kanila. Kasi, kailangan po kayong i-charge pag hindi po naging successful yung cancel ng form. Ayun.
na ilalagay, and then dark chocolate, tapos may whipped cream. So yun po yung mga recipe na yun. It originated in PTC. So it became a famous flavor all throughout the world, kaya nagkaroon ng flavor na Black Forest. So later on, kung gusto niyo po mag-dessert, itry yung original Black Forest. Yan, pwede po kayo mamaya.
Okay, so we're now here in PTC and we're gonna watch the cuckoo clock making. Ooh. Sobrang lamig. Ito ba? Ano yun eh?
Yan, here's tart.
Kirsch short. Ah, ito. Ayan. So, dito daw po nag-originate yung Black Forest flavor ng cake. Pero yung original Black Forest is, ano siya, with liquor, yung pagkagawa sa kanya. Christmas market. Yes.
Anong pangalan yan?
Ha?
Anong hula mo ka ng pangalan?
Black Forest.
Ingat
Ayan, it's 11 degrees here guys. Ang sobrang lamig. So pag winter, nag-frozen yung lake.
Tapos ano na siya, may mga nag-skating.
Wow!
Pero dito lang kasi sa harap yung medyo frozen. Na pwede yung ganun. Kasi may lalim na sa gitna, so hindi na siya outside. Actually, gumagana yan. So mamayang 1 o'clock, meron na namang sasayaw siya.
Oh, okay. Hello, good morning. I think these are the cuckoo clocks. Wow.
Drüber schaut, orientiert sie. My name is Jo Steinhardt, and I tell something about the history of and how to make a cookie. For more than 350 years, farmers started to make such a simple kind of mechanical clocks. See, the most of them, more than 95% of these clocks are made from wood, even the gears inside.
Go na, baka lumamig. Having hot chocolate here in Germany. Sa mga gusto natin, matamis. Hawaiian. Margarita.
Soll ich da einpacken?
Ang saya, magta-train kami. Ito ba?
Okay ng language. Yung English po number.
So we're riding the train now and we have an audio guide. Ayan. So bigyan tayo ng language dito. English. Tayo kumain kasi maganda yung vibes. Ayan. Wow. So pretty. So cold. So we're on the search for the beautiful canal. Pero hindi namin mahanap. Asa sila? Ang ganda. Yay! We got the shot! Hi, Doc! Order tayo. Red wine. Cheers! Hey guys, so now we're here at our hotel in Colmar. So I'll just do a quick room tour kasi pagoda na yung atin nyo. Meron ditong place where you can hang your clothes, safety vault, mini bar, towels, pillows, and then may another hanger ulit. And then separate yung kanilang toilet sa kanilang parang shower area. So this is the shower area. Ayan. So towels again, and we have a big, I love this one. You know, I love a sink na maraming patungan dahil marami tayong mga makeup and skincare, diba? So we have enough space and blow dry. We have our body wash. Ito, hindi ko ma-figure out talaga kung ano to. I-google ko mamaya. And then, wow, malaki po yung ating shower area. Ayan. Though wala siyang curtain, pero meron naman po towel dito. Ayan. So we have here a big mirror, a body mirror, and a big LCD TV. Ang ganda ng design ng room. Kita niyo yan? Parang napaka-vibrant. And then malaki naman yung bed. We have a lounge chair here. Writing study lamp. What else do we have? May mga complimentary tea and also a coffee machine. But I don't know if they have the pods. Meron naman pala yung pods. Ayan, so makakapagkape din tayo mamaya if you want to. And then meron tayong paper and pen. Ito my light. That's all for our room tour here in our hotel in Colmar, France. So by the way, the name of this hotel is B&B Hotel. So malapit lang siya dun sa Old Town ng Colmar. So yes, Colmar is a really very beautiful town. Although we are not very lucky kasi nung pumunta kami, umuulan, umambon. Sobrang lamig kaya napabili ako ng napakamahal na bonnet na 20 euros lang naman. Kasi feeling ko pag hindi ako pumili, magkakasakit ako, sobrang lamig. As in po, inasahan na ganun po kalamig ito sa Europe, sa France. Kaya, lesson learned, kapag even if the temperature, they say it would be like 19 degrees, 13, and lowest is 10 degrees po ang temperature from Germany. So, kaya magdala ng bonnet, maging prepared, at magdala ng mga heat tech. Yun lang! Good morning! We are here at Colmar and pa-check out na po tayo. So, it's already almost 8 a.m. and 8:30 yung call time namin sa bus. So, I have to go now. Ayan. Actually, kahapon ang sama talaga ng pakiramdam ko kasi sobrang lamig sa TTC and sa Colmar. And I would say, hindi angkop yung aking pananamit. Kaya, nilamig talaga ako. Kailangan ko bumili ng bonnet. Kaya, ayun. So, mamaya aking pakiramdam. But so far, it's good. Medyo masakit lang yung ulo ko, pero I think if I will be able to eat breakfast and coffee and then drink some meds, and then it'll be fine. So, fit check lang tayo sa dito. Ayan. O, diba? Sana ay malabanan niya yung lamig today. Ayan. Doing a quick stopover dito sa bus station para umigo. Kape-kape. Parang sarap eh. Next. Oh, maginit na. Maginit.
Fountain of Neptune, he was the Roman god of the sea, si Neptune. And then Aphrodite, siya po yung goddess. So yun na naman, is dedicated to both the gods and goddesses of the sea. And then you will see na may trident. Yun, tapos yun po yung parang symbol niya. So makikita niyo yun. Fountain of Youth, ako kailangan ko rin yata yun, sir. Kasi parang tumanda talaga ako sa pagtuturis ko. So in front of you, this is Stanislav. Okay? Yan. Yan pala po yung picture niya. Iba pa po yung statue niya talaga.
So now we are in Nancy, France, and it's still malamig because it's raining. And we are at the square. Ayan. So that is the ruler. Yung statue sa likod ko, that is the ruler, si Stanislav. King daw siya ng Poland before, and then he became ruler of Nancy dahil nakapangasawa ng King of France yung anak niya. Pero na-exile siya sa Poland before. So twice siyang na-exile. Oh no, twice siyang na-impeach basta pagiging king hanggang naging ruler siya ng Nancy. Ayan. Pero napaganda naman niya yung Nancy. Kaya, it's good. And then, this is the Golden Gate. Ayan. So, tinatawag po ang Nancy na City of Golden Gate. Kasi, yung decorations po ng plaza na to ay made out of gold. Ayan.
Okay. Holding a trident, and then may mga I believe there is a mythical creature sa baba po niya na parang pinapakitang pinapatay niya. Okay?
Nandito po tayo ngayon sa square ng Nancy. So, sabi ng tour guide namin, this is, kita nyo mahaba yan, and then nandun yung statue ni Stanislav. So, this used to be a horse race track before, yung nagpupustahan sila. Kaya mahaba ito. And then you can see, merong mga square na mga bushes or trees dyan kasi maintain talaga yan. And then, ayan, parang may flea market dito kaso it's closed. Kasi nga, siguro morning and then ngayon is super maulan. Kaya, too bad, hindi natin siya ma-explore ng mas maayos. Pero it's fine. Let's see. Maghahanap tayo ng makakainan and then maybe have some coffee. Merci. Thank you. Ayan. Okay. Ang good. Wala nawawala yung sa akin.